This code sample includes a simple user interface that includes two text fields and a button. When the user presses the button, the sum of the two entered numbers should be displayed on the bottom. If we go over the code, we can find one activity, and we can find within the onCreate method an invocation for the setOnClickListener method on the button object in order to set a listener which is actually an object that in this case is instantiated from an anonymous inner class that implements the view.onClickListener interface. It is a static inner interface defined within the view class. In order to debug this code, we just need to place a breakpoint. We do it by click outside of the code on the left, and instead of running this code, let's debug it. You can go through the configuration, specify exactly what you want. In my case, I want to debug the application while having it running on this specific emulator. So let's click debug. Here we can see the console. This is the emulator currently running. So as we can see in the console, we have just installed the application, and now it starts. And this is the application itself. Now, as you recall, we placed a breakpoint over here, meaning that when this method is invoked, the execution will be stopped in this line. So let's enter two numbers. And let's press the button, and as you can see, the execution stopped here in this line. Now if you go over the menu over here, you can see the shortcuts. Step over, it means going to the next line, and as you can see, I can place the mouse over as every variable we have in order to get its value. We can also see all variables over here and their value. And if we want to continue the execution, we just need to select resume program. Let's return to the emulator, and the result is as expected.